Hello everyone, I am Gupta. I am a life and business coach and strategist, and I always bring information and knowledge to you that helps you grow in all areas of life, including relationships, success, profession, business, money, and health. Often people come to me saying I'm unable to make friends, or some people say that my business is not going well, clients are not paying. Sometimes people say I'm unable to find the life partner I desire. Why is it? Why is it that we are not able to get what we want in life? And more importantly, what can we do about it? Are we the reason that we are not able to get what we want in life? Why I am saying this? I'm saying this because this universe, it works according to a rule, a law. This is called law of attraction. When you tune a radio and you want to listen to a particular radio station, you tune that radio to that radio station, and then only you are able to hear whatever that radio station is airing. Suppose you want to listen to Radio City, then you will tune your radio station to Radio City. What does it mean? Now we can say that radio station is set at a particular setting, right? And when your radio is tuned to that setting at which that radio station is, then your radio catches that radio station and you are able to listen to all the songs, advertisements and news which is aired on that radio station. If your radio is set at the setting of Red FM, then it will catch Red FM. If your radio is set at the setting of Radio City, it will catch Radio City. If you want to listen to Vivid Bharati, then you will have to set your radio at the setting of Vivid Bharati. In the same way, we also have a setting. Now, what decides that setting? It's our emotions, what we feel, what are our beliefs, what are our fears, and sometimes deep-rooted fears. All this decides the setting at which we are. And we can attract only those people and those situations which match our setting. Like if you are set at, say, a setting A, then only those people and those situations will come to your life which are also set at setting A. Being at a setting A, you cannot attract people or situations which are set at a setting B or C. If you want to have people and situations of setting B in your life, then you have to be at the setting B. Then only you can attract those. Like if you keep saying that I'm unable to make friends, or nobody wants to be my friend, or it is very difficult these days to make friends, then your setting is this. You will only attract those people in your life who cannot become your friends. And even if somebody wants to become your friend, you will do something that the friendship will ruin itself. If you are a businessman and you often find yourself in situations where clients don't pay you or your product and services are not purchased, then you have to check what is your setting. Check if you are thinking things like people don't pay these days, market is down, my work, my product, my services are not understood by people. Check this. So to achieve anything in your life, to achieve your goals in your life, what you have to do? The first thing is that you have to take action. You have to do the things that are required to achieve that goal. And secondly, you have to check the setting at which you are set. You have to make sure that you are set at the same setting at which your goal is. When your frequency matches the frequency of those people or that situation which you want to attract, then only you will have those people and those situations in your life. This is law of attraction. And this is how you use it. If you have any queries or questions, you can WhatsApp message me. My contact details are given on my website, and my website is given in the YouTube description box below. You can note it down also. It's theaditigupta.com. That is theaditigupta.com. From time to time, I take online workshops. Many of them are free of cost. You can join them. You are most welcome to join. And they are online, as I said, so you can attend them on your phone and your laptops in the comforts of your home and your office. If you want me to make any video on a topic of your choice, then please comment in the comment box below. Write that topic down. And now, I pray to this divinity that it always stays with you, keeps you healthy, makes you prosperous, guides you in the right direction, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this, I'll see you again next time. Goodbye till then.